Okay, now I am going to discuss about the types of the triangles based on the sides. Types of the triangles based on the sides. Okay, in the previous video we discussed that. Okay, so what is mean by triangle we discussed, and triangle some measurements and opposite sides respect to the opposite angles, and opposite angles respect to the opposite sides we discussed. In this video I am going to discuss with you types of the triangles. Okay, already we have studied in the previous class. Okay, so those are based on the sides, what type of triangles we have, based on the angles what type of triangles we have, will end. Okay, once again recall them, the types of triangles. So before going to that, please subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends. Okay, encourage me. Okay, so in this, so the types of the triangles based on the sides. So based on the sides, we have three types of triangles. What are the types of triangles we have? Three types. Okay, so we have three types of triangles we have based on the sides. So one is scale and triangle. Scale and triangle. And another one is isosceles triangle. And other one is equilateral triangle. What is the triangle? Equilateral triangle. Okay, so we have, what are the, how many types of triangles we have based on the sides? Three types. In that first one we have scale and triangle. Scale are no two sides are equal. In a triangle, if no two sides are equal, is called scale and triangle. See, for example, if you take a triangle that, this is one triangle. Okay, so A, B, C, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, so here no two sides are same. So this type of triangle we can call scale and triangles. If no two sides are same, is called scale and triangle. Or otherwise we can say, if the three measures are different in a triangle, the three line segments having three different measurements, is called scale and triangle. We can say like this anyway. Okay, so this is the example for the scale and triangle. And this 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So this is also scale and triangle. Okay, next, these are the example for the scale and triangles. 4, 5, 6, no two sides are same. And in the isosceles triangle, in a triangle, if any two sides are equal, in a triangle, if any two sides are equal, are called isosceles triangle. If any two sides are equal in a triangle, is called isosceles triangle. Suppose A, B, C. So in this triangle ABC, so the side AB is 6 centimeter and AC is 6 centimeter and BC is 5 centimeter. So here these two sides are equal. Yes, so equal sign I am putting as this symbol. So this indicates means these two sides are equal. Yes, so ABC, in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Then it is, if these two sides are equal, then it is, we can call isosceles triangle. Okay, next, I am taking one more example. PQR. If it is 5 centimeter, if it is 5 centimeter, if it is 10 centimeter, if it is 9 meters, 9 centimeter. Okay, so in these two triangles are, these two sides are same, then it is, we can call isosceles triangle. If at least in a triangle, if any two sides are equal, is called isosceles triangle. Next, when you are coming to the equilateral triangle. Okay, in equilateral triangle, if all three sides are equal in a triangle, if all three sides are equal, is called an equilateral triangle. See, suppose this is ABC triangle. In this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. So we can represent, before only we discussed, I mentioned that we can represent if equal sides. So these three are equal sides, we can put this symbol. Okay, so that indicates these 3 sides are equal. Okay, if they didn't give the measurements, if it is the equilateral triangle, we can mark like this also. So in this triangle, if all these 3 sides are equal, we can call it as equilateral triangle. Okay, so we can, so PQR, this is PQR triangle. In these 3 sides are equal. Then can we say this is the equilateral triangle or not? Yes, these all 3 sides are equal. Suppose if it is 8 centimeter, if it is 8 centimeter, how much it will be? This also 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter. Okay. Next, so now I am going to discuss with you that the types of triangles based on the angles. Let us see. So the types of triangles based on the angles, we have 3 types of triangles we have. So based on the angles, so in that, if first is acute angle triangle. What is mean by acute angle triangle is, in a triangle, if all 3 angles are acute angles, are called acute angle triangle. If all 3 angles are acute angles, is called acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. See, suppose in a triangle, so we know that is what is mean by acute angle. Already we studied. Okay, so the angle which is measures between 0 and 90 degrees is called acute angle. Greater than 0, less than 90. The angle which is measures greater than 0 and less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. So here, suppose if you take angle AB, triangle ABC, so if it is 60 degrees and if it is 50 degrees and 70 degrees. So these 3 angles are, 60 is acute angle, 50 is also acute angle, 70 is also acute angle. So this triangle we can call it is acute angle triangle. Okay, next. One angle is 40 degrees, one angle is 80 degrees, another angle is 60 degrees. Is it acute angle or not? Yes, it is also acute angle triangle. The triangle PQR is acute angle triangle. Okay, so next type, obtuse angle, right angle triangle. What we have, that is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means if the triangle consists, if at any one of the angles, if the triangle in a triangle, okay, in a triangle, if any one of the angles measures 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. Okay, in a triangle, any one of the angle measures 90 degrees. Suppose I am taking this is 90 degrees. Okay, X, Y, Z. So triangle XYZ is in this triangle XYZ, one angle is 90 degrees. Okay, then we can call it is a right angle triangle. Okay, next is it, and next triangle PQR. So, okay, in this PQR, this is the 90 degrees symbol this. Okay, so if it is the measures 90 degrees, so is it a right angle or PQR is the right angle triangle. Right angle is at what vertex? At Q. Right angle is at Q. In this triangle, where is the right angle? Right angle is at Y. Okay, so now how many? So here one more important point we are going to say that we can say that how many right angles does a triangle has? How many right angles does a triangle have? Okay, the triangle have only one right angle. If it is more than one right angle, see, suppose if you consider the 2 right angles, here one triangle, here one right angle, is these 2 will form a triangle? it will go like this, it will go like this, they won't intersect. And we know that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180. If it is 90, both these two angles measures 180. There is no chance to form other angle. Other angle is 0. That means there is no forming for the angle C. There is no angle C. So that third angle we don't have. We have only two angles. Yes. So we can. The triangle has the number of right angles in a triangle is the maximum number of right angles in a triangle is only one right angle. How many right angles maximum in triangle can be represented? Only one right angle. Okay. Next types of triangle. See, we can say, and one more important in this we can see, suppose in this ABC triangle, if these two sides are equal and this is a right angle, if it is a 90 degrees, okay, so if it is 45 degrees and 45 degrees, so these two sides are equal. So we can call it is one angle is which type of triangle it is? In a triangle, if two sides are equal, we can call it as a isosceles triangle. And in a triangle, if one angle is 90 degrees, measures 90 degrees, then it is called a right angle triangle. So then what we have to call? In a triangle, if there is one right angle is there and two sides also equal. Yes, these two sides are equal and one angle is 90 degrees. Then what we call this for this? We can call this for, we can note it down when you are watching the video. So this we can write as right angle isosceles right angle isosceles right angle triangle, isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, in a triangle, if two sides and one of the angle is 90 degrees, the two sides are equal and one of the angle is 90 degrees, is called isosceles right angle triangle. Next, one more types of triangle we have, that obtuse angle triangle. What is the type of obtuse angle triangle? In obtuse angle triangle, okay, so if the triangle consists, if any one of the angle measures obtuse, is called obtuse angle triangle. If any one of the angle is obtuse angle, in the three angles, if any one of the angle is obtuse angle, is called obtuse angle triangle. See, suppose, so obtuse angle means we know that is already which is measures greater than 90, less than 180 degrees. See, suppose this is 100 degrees, this is 40 degrees, 45 degrees, if it is 35 degrees. So then triangle PQR is the obtuse angle or not? Yes, obtuse angle triangle. Okay, and next, if it is 120 degrees, if it is 30 degrees and 40 degrees, and if it is 20 degrees. So A, B, C. So in this triangle, is it obtuse angle or not? Yes, it is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so in this question again I am asking, the maximum number of obtuse angles can represent in a triangle is, maximum number of obtuse angles in a triangle are how many we have? Only one obtuse angle. Remaining angles must be a acute angle. Remaining two angles must be the acute angles only. Okay, so then we can call, so it is obtuse angle triangle. How many maximum number of obtuse angles in a triangle can we write? Only one obtuse angle. So if you include two, means it is more than 180 degrees. More than 180 degrees means there is no chance to form a third angle. And see, suppose obtuse angle you will get like this. One more obtuse angle, these two are obtuse only will get. So this side, this like this will go, this side this like this will go. These two will intersect anywhere? No. Okay, so that means there is no chance to form a third angle. So the maximum number of obtuse angles present in a triangle is only 1. Maximum number of right angles also only 1 in a triangle. Okay, and if suppose if it is 30 degrees, if this angle is 30 degrees, then it becomes also 30. So these two sides are equal and one angle is 120. This we can call isosceles obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so this no need to, so just we need to know that is this 30 degrees and these two sides are equal, 5 centimeter 5 centimeter, and this is 120 degrees means, so this is we can call isosceles obtuse angle triangle.